Data centers install uninterruptible power supply systems to guarantee absolute uptime. Statistically, these same backup systems are the facility's greatest fire threat. The primary hazard does not come from a rogue electrical spark. It stems from the raw chemical composition of the lead-acid batteries housed inside the units. These systems project a dangerous illusion of safety. Facilities rely on them for protection, while ignoring the highly volatile electrochemical hazard sitting just inches away from their critical hardware. The breakdown often starts on a Friday evening. To cut overhead costs, many corporate facilities shut down their centralized air conditioning for the weekend, leaving the server room completely uncooled. This thermal heat map shows rapid trapped heat accumulation. A small, unventilated IT closet can escalate from 22 to 55 degrees Celsius within 48 hours. As this exponential graph illustrates, every 10-degree increase doubles the battery's chemical reaction rate, forcing violent overcharging. The battery reaches thermal runaway, generating more internal heat than it can safely dissipate. It eventually hits a temperature that boils its own sulfuric acid, causing the severe physical deformation seen here. Attempting to save a fraction of the operating budget on weekend cooling directly engineers the total destruction of the IT infrastructure. The flames are only the initial problem. When the battery electrolyte boils, it vents a dense, highly toxic mist of sulfuric acid. Because the surrounding servers are still powered, their cooling fans continue spinning, actively pulling this corrosive mist deep into the unburned hardware. The mist condenses onto motherboards. These acid droplets immediately begin oxidizing the exposed copper traces and silver-plated contacts. This white corrosive residue drives a process known as creep corrosion. The acid facilitates the growth of microscopic metal dendrites that bridge circuit gaps, guaranteeing massive electrical short circuits days or even weeks later. Servers sitting racks away from the actual fire are rendered completely useless, destroyed entirely by the acidic fallout. Standard property insurance will pay to replace the burned plastic of the UPS unit. It provides zero coverage for the massive costs of network downtime, dead servers, and lost revenue. Relying on traditional ceiling smoke detectors ensures maximum damage. By the time visible smoke triggers an alarm, corrosive mist has saturated the entire room. Facilities must install proactive environmental monitoring systems. High-sensitivity aspirating smoke detection and thermal sensors detect chemical off-gassing up to 15 minutes before visible smoke appears, allowing for an immediate shutdown. To close the financial liability gap, organizations require specialized hybrid coverage, like the Ethika Office Shield, which covers both the physical hardware loss and the critical business interruption costs. Stop relying on reactive containment. Audit your weekend server room temperatures